Hello, dear student friends. As I told you in the last lecture, today I will be sharing with you one of the software tool called as an circuit simulator. The name of the circuit simulator is Falstad. So how to use the Falstad, that I will be demonstrating to you. So for that I will be preparing three videos. In first video, I will just give the idea about the Falstad. In second video, I will show you how to use the inbuilt circuits in the Falstad, which are simulated. And in third video, I will show you how to simulate our own circuit and understand the different parameters of the circuit like current, voltage, power, etc. So for that, to open the Falstad, just type www.falstad.com oblique circuit in Google, and the window of this circuit simulator will open. So already there is one circuit you can see wherein there is some capacitor, resistor, etc. So if you do not want this circuit, then you can go to the blank circuit. So you can see there is in menu, file is there, edit is there, draw is there, scopes is there, options are there, and circuits are there. So if you go into the circuits, you will find variety of the circuits which are already simulated. For example, basics. In basics, you can see Ohm's law, resistor, capacitor, and all that particular one. So if you click on the Ohm's law, you will find that there's one small circuit wherein there's a 5 volt voltage source. There is a 100 ohm resistor parallel with the 1 kilo ohm resistor, and they are grounded from other side. Now, if you look at this particular voltage source is same, other side of the resistors are grounded, and resistor values are different. So current is also different. So why it is showing current? Because there's a current meter here. So if you take this cursor on 100 ohm resistor, then on the right bottom side, it will show the different parameters of that particular circuit or that branch. So you can see current through that particular branch, 100 ohm branch, is 50 milliampere. Voltage across that resistor with respect to ground is 5 volt. Resistance value is 100 ohm, and the power dissipated by that resistor is 250 milliwatt. How it is coming 250 milliwatt? I square R. So 50 milli square into 100 ohm comes to be 250 milliwatt. So you don't have to calculate all these things. Just take the cursor on that component and it will show the values. Similarly, you can see now I have taken the cursor on 1 kilo ohm resistor, and it is showing the different circuit parameters with respect to 1 kilo ohm resistor. So you can see current through that particular 1 kilo ohm resistor is 5 milliampere. Why it is 5 milliampere? If you apply Ohm's law, that is 5 volt divided by 1 kilo ohm is your current. So 5 volt divided by 1 kilo ohm comes to be 5 milliampere. Voltage across that resistor with respect to ground is 5 volt, and resistance of that resistor is 1 kilo ohm, and the power dissipated by the resistor is 25 milliwatt. How it is 25 milliwatt? I square R. I is 5 milliampere, so 5 milliampere square into R 1 kilo ohm comes to be 25 milliwatt. So this is very simple circuit which you can understand from this particular one. So now let us go back to the blank circuit. So if you click on the circuit, at the bottom side you'll find the blank circuit. If you click on the blank, you will get the blank space. So very in here you can draw the circuit diagram. So how to draw the circuit diagram, that we'll discuss in the next video. But in this video, as I was told you, that I will demonstrate just brief about the Falstad circuit simulator. So you can see in file you will find different menu. These are self-explanatory. I should not explain about that. So if you are having already file, you can open the file, you can import text, then you can save that file, and so on and so forth, right? Then edit. If you want to do some undo, if you don't want some part immediately, you can undo that. You can cut, copy, paste, duplicate, select all, center circuit. You can zoom in, zoom out. All that is possible here. Then draw. This is very important menu because we'll be taking these different components from this particular draw menu. So like if you want to connect the two components, we need wire. So we have to click on the add wire, and then wire will be selected, and then we have to connect it. How to connect that, I will demonstrate in the next video. Then add resistor. You want resistor, you have to take the resistor from here. Then passive components like capacitor, then polarized capacitor, inductor, switch, and so on and so forth. All components are given here. Input and sources like ground, voltage source. Then we can see the AC voltage source. If you want clock in digital circuit, you can take clock. Different sources are available, right? Then outputs and labels. So here outputs like analog output, LED, lamp. So there are different outputs like ohm meter, right? Ammeter for measurement of the current or voltage. Then you can label also with the text or something like that. Okay. Then active components like diode, Zener diode, transistor, MOSFET, diag, triac, SCR, Darlington transistor, and etc. Then active building blocks. So these are the different building blocks like op amps, Smith triggers. I think you will not understand all those things at this point of time, but then later on in second semester, these all things will be useful to you. Or maybe in electronic circuits, you can use the op amps and transistors. Logic gates. You are studying the digital circuit, so you can build the digital circuit here and you can simulate it. Then digital chips are also available, right? Different ICs, we can say flip flop ICs, and 7 segment ICs, and etc. Display ICs. Then analog and hybrid chips are also available, like analog like triple five timer, phase comparator, ADC DAC, that is analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, VCO, monostable multivibrator. All these things are there in the your electronic circuit syllabus, right? Then you can drag all, you can drag row, you can drag column, you can drag selected, drag post. So many options are there. Then you can have the select oblique drag set. So these are the different options available here. Then if you go to the option, then in option you'll have show current, show voltage, show power, show values, small video. So maybe in next video I will explain all these particular menus, right? So we'll build some circuit in the next video, and we'll try to understand the circuit simulation, right? So you can play with this already inbuilt circuits, like one I was demonstrated at the beginning, that is in basics, your Ohm's law. So once you click on that particular Ohm's law, the circuit will come here, and you can see the different parameters here, like voltage, current, power, and etc. Similarly, if you go for the next one, say for example, if I select simple like Thevenin's theorem, you know the Thevenin's theorem. So we'll go for the Thevenin's theorem. So you can see now this is Thevenin's theorem, and you know that in Thevenin's theorem, the complex circuit can be simplified into simple voltage source and a equivalent resistor, and then you can find out the current through that particular equivalent voltage source right now. So likewise, we can have different circuits. We can see the transistor also here, simple transistor circuits, operation amplifier circuit, diode circuit. You can see the diode IV curve. Okay, so you can see the, once I click on this particular one, it is showing the different parameters, and you can see the diode curve, current versus voltage curve. So you have studied this. This is current, this is voltage. So up to 0.7 it does not conduct, and then after 0.7 it conducts. So likewise, you can do a lot of things here. You can do a lot of things. You can change the value of the volt sources. You can change the values of the components, and so and so forth. So to understand the circuit simulator, one need to play with all these particular menus and different libraries available here. So now I will stop here, and then in next video we will see how to build the circuit. How to build the circuit. Thank you very much.